Section 214(b) is a section under the Immigration and Nationality Act in the U.S. It is the section under which a non-immigrant applicant's visa is refused/denied. U.S. laws put emphasis on U.S. non-immigration visa applicants, except H-1B and L-1, to prove that they are willing to return to their home country and have no intention of illegally staying back in the United States or becoming immigrants. The 214(b) visa rejection can be a serious issue if you are willing to study in the U.S. What is Section 214(b)? According to Section 214(b) of the Immigration and Nationality Act, a visa can be denied based on a visa officer's opinion. This section basically denies visas to applicants who are not able to show financial adequacy and intent of leaving the U.S., along with legitimate reasons to get the U.S. visa. What are the reasons for 214(b) visa rejection? There are many reasons why your visa can be put under 214(b) visa rejection. Let us help you understand some of the most common reasons of 214(b) visa denial. No strong ties to your home country. If you do not show that you have any strong ties to your home country, like family, a job, a house, or other assets that you may want to return to, there is a high chance that you could be given a 214(b) slip. Interview problems, how you conduct yourself, how honestly you answer questions, how you are dressed, your reactions and facial expressions, eye contact, hesitation in answering questions, discrepancies in answers to questions and information contained in the application form, nervousness all go into weighing your intentions, credibility, and eligibility for a visa. Also, if the visa officer thinks that any document of yours is fraudulent, like a work letter or a bank statement, he will give you a 214(b) refusal. Fit Overstay Profile. There are a set of profiles that have been taken from all the applications that have applied for a visa. These profiles are the ones who have overstayed their visas or applied for extensions in their visas or have illegally immigrated to the U.S. If your profile matches these profiles, your visa could be under 214(b) visa denial. Multiple long and extended stays in the U.S. If you have visited the U.S. multiple times for long periods of time and have also extended your stay there, then the officer may have doubts that you have immigrated there, are participating in illegal employment activities, or have immigrational intentions. Any previous interactions with the police. If you were detained by the police or have been arrested before, then there is a high chance that you'll get a 214(b) slip. Student-specific reasons. There are some student-specific reasons, which need to be kept in mind as well, like if you intend on attending a community college or a non-brand university. If you lack economic ties to your home country. If you show your intention of staying back in the U.S. for an extended period of time after the completion of your course. If your program has little use in your home country. If you are an older applicant, 30+ years. Inadequate knowledge of English. If you have previously studied in the U.S. and your academic track record and attendance wasn't good. Insufficient display of funds. What can you do to avoid the 214(b) visa refusal? While a lot depends on your profile, there are definitely a few things that you, as an international student, can do to avoid 214(b) F1 visa rejection. Here's how you can avoid 214(b) visa denial. Dress well for your visa interview. Formals aren't compulsory, so you should wear anything casual, but still smart. Try to establish a strong tie with your home country. Mention how your entire family is here, how pursuing your degree will help you come back and get a promotion at your current job, etc. Be confident while answering your questions. Make sure to be aligned with the profile that you have submitted to the university. Do not submit any false documents, whether they are job recommendations or bank statements. If you have had any encounters with the police, then explain what exactly happened and how you have improved or changed. If you did stay for an extended period of time in the U.S. previously, explain the circumstances under which it happened. If you have chosen to go to a community college or a non-brand university, then mention why you made this decision. Maintain eye contact and try not to fumble while speaking to the officer. Be confident. What to do if visa gets rejected? The first thing that you need to do after your 214B visa rejection F1 is to identify 214B visa rejection reason for yourself. You can contact the consulate in your home country for the same. You might also want to consider telling your university about your 214B visa denial reasons and why you have been late for the entire admission process. What is the reapplication process? The process to 214B visa rejection reapply is similar to what the application process for the U.S. visa is. You can also contact the U.S. Embassy to know the complete reapplication procedure after your 214B visa rejection F1. If the reason for your 214B rejection is really serious, there is no point to 214B visa rejection reapply unless your background, financial situation, or work experience change drastically. It will be a no from the visa consulate. All in all, as a student you have to prove that you are a great fit for your program and that you will gain knowledge and life experience by studying in the U.S. However, you also need to show that you do wish to come back to your home country, along with providing the consulate with honest documents. Frequently asked questions about 214B visa rejection. Ks. How to overcome 214B visa rejection. ANS. You can overcome the 214B refusal by presenting the consulate with legitimate documents and information pertaining to your background, finances, etc. Ks. When can I apply for U.S. visa after rejection 214B? ANS. You can reapply for your visa after getting in touch with your consulate officials. Ks. Is 214B permanent? ANS. No, 214B is not at all permanent and can be resolved once you have rectified the 214B visa rejection reason.